In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Sheets together. If you've ever wanted data from one spreadsheet to show up automatically in another, this is exactly what you need. We'll keep it simple, clear, and repeatable so you can use it for dashboards, reports, or collaborative projects. First, open the Google Sheet where you want the data to appear. Think of this as your destination sheet, the place that will display information pulled from somewhere else. Make sure you already have access to the source spreadsheet you want to pull from. If you can view it in your browser, you're good to go. Now we'll use a single formula that does all the heavy lifting, import range. Click into the cell where you want the imported data to start and type the formula exactly like this. Import range, spreadsheet URL, sheet name, range. The quotes are important and both parts inside them matter. Let's break that down. The spreadsheet URL is simply the full link to the source Google Sheet. You can copy it from the browser address bar of the spreadsheet you're pulling from, paste it inside the quotation marks so it's recognized properly. Next, the sheet name range tells Google Sheets which tab and which cells to pull. For example, if your source tab is called Sheet 1 and you want columns A through D from rows 1 to 100, you'd use Sheet 1 A1 D100. If your sheet tab has spaces or special characters, make sure the name is exact, including capitalization. When you're ready, press enter. If this is the first time your destination sheet is connecting to that source file, you may briefly see an error while it establishes the connection. That's normal. Once access is authorized, the data will populate automatically and stay in sync with the source, updating as the original changes. A few tips to keep things smooth. If you want to bring in an entire column or a larger area that grows over time, you can use an open-ended range like Sheet 1AD instead of specifying row numbers. Keep headers consistent so you know what each column represents in the destination sheet. If you see an error like href or tar.na, double-check the URL, the exact sheet name, and the range spelling. Also verify that you have permission to view the source file. That's all there is to it. With import range, you can link sheets confidently and keep your data centralized without manual copying and pasting.